What if I told you na may isang premium Mastercard dito sa Philippines na no annual fee for life, may airport lounge access, may free supplemental cards, may insurance coverage, at may priority banking access pa. Wow! Most of us don't know na nag-i-exist siya and akala natin pang mayaman lang. But here's the twist. Hindi mo kailangan ng 7-digit annual income, hindi mo kailangan maging CEO, at hindi rin ito secret invite-only card na pang elite circle lang. Ang kailangan mo lang, tamang banking relationship. Today, we'll talk about the RCBC Hexagon Club Privilege Mastercard. Isa sa pinaka-misunderstood and pinaka-underrated elite card in the Philippines. So, let's start with the basics. Ano nga ba talaga ang RCBC Hexagon Club? Ang Hexagon Club is not just a credit card. It's a relationship banking tier. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka lang card holder. You're a member of a priority banking group within RCBC. So, this is how it works. Pag nag-maintain ka ng 100,000 deposit on your RCBC, pwede ka maging Hexagon Club member. Hindi ito income-based, hindi tatanungin kung magkano yung sweldo mo per month, as long as meron kang 100,000 pesos on your account and ma-maintain mo ito. And this is very important dahil most premium credit cards in the Philippines are based on income requirement. For example, may cards na kailangan 1 million pesos a year ang minimum earnings mo in order to qualify for the card. May iba na 700,000 or iba na 500,000 pataas. Pero sa Hexagon Club, ang entry point mo is savings, hindi sahod. Now, once you become a Hexagon Club member, meron siyang perks. May priority lane sa branches, dedicated relationship manager, preferential rates on certain loans, special invites to events, and exclusive promos. And ang pinaka-attractive na benefit is eligible ka for a Hexagon Club Privilege Mastercard. Take note of the word eligible. Hindi porket Hexagon Club member ka na approved ka agad for the Hexagon Club Privilege Mastercard. Dahil may separate pa rin na credit evaluation. So, may dalawang level to. The first one is to ensure that you are a Hexagon Club member. So, meron kang deposit na 100,000 pesos minimum. Level 2 is na-approve ka for Hexagon Club Privilege Mastercard after the credit assessment. And this is where people get confused kasi ang akala nila basta mag-open ka ng account and be a Hexagon Club member with a 100,000 pesos ay automatic makakakuha ng card. Again, it really depends if you pass the credit investigation. But when you become a Hexagon Club member, you're already positioning yourself to be a valued client ng RCBC. Because regardless if you're a business owner, an OFW, a professional, kahit irregular yung income mo or hindi traditional yung employment mo, may way ka to build credibility through deposits. Dahil again, ang titignan lang nila is yung savings mo and not your income. You're basically telling the bank na, I trust you with my money. And in banking, that matters. So, ang next question naman is, paano ma-qualify for the credit card? So, the very first step is to open a Hexagon Club account and deposit your 100,000 pesos. You can do this by going to the nearest RCBC branch. But if you're not sure where to locate it, punta lang kayo sa website and then go to branch finder. You can also request a call with them. Take note that your account should have a minimum of 100,000 pesos. Hindi ka pwedeng bumaba dito because you will lose your Hexagon Club privileges. This is the maintaining balance. Now, let's talk about the credit card approval itself. When I opened my account, I requested for a review if qualified ako to get the Hexagon Club Privilege Mastercard. So, they had to process it. Hindi agad-agad na ma-assess nila the same time na nag-open ka ng account. Because it will take time for them to review your credit history, existing loans and credit cards, payment behavior, and overall risk profile. If meron kayong existing credit cards and you have good credit history, your chances are significantly higher. If very first credit card mo to whatsoever, chances are mas strict ang pag-evaluate. By the way, pwede din ito for OFWs. Once you submit your request, you will be informed if qualified kayo for the Mastercard. And then, just wait for it na ma-deliver to your address. Okay, so once your credit card is approved, ano nga ba ang makukuhang benefits on this card? The first one, and what I really like about this, is that there is no annual fee for life. As long as ma-maintain mo yung Hexagon Club status, you won't be charged for any annual fee for life. This is really good because most premium or privilege cards charge around 2,000 to 5,000 pesos annually. And that's a big amount na pwedeng save. The next one is airport lounge access. Card holders get complimentary access to selected local airport lounges, usually for domestic lounges. Kaya for occasional travelers or for example OFWs, magandang upgrade ito for comfort. Next is free supplementary cards. You can extend your benefits to your parents, your spouse, or your children. Centralizes spending and earn rewards together. Insurance coverage. It includes complimentary travel insurance when booking flights and purchase protection. It's not a replacement for full insurance, pero dagdag layer ng protection to. Next is priority banking privileges. You have priority lanes in branches, dedicated relationship manager, and faster servicing. Malaking tulong to because it'll save you a lot of time. Preferential loan consideration. While not guaranteed na lower ang rates, relationship banking helps sa faster approval, better navigation, and higher credit limits. Ngayon, with all this, what I like is meron din siyang rewards. Meron kang na-earn na unexpiring points every time that you spend. Hindi siya high multiplier miles card or optimized for cashback, but the fact that you can still earn points and free annual fee for life is already a good deal. But the perks don't end there. You can check their website to view the whole list of their perks and privileges. Meron silang 1 free checkbook and manager's check per year, no withdrawal fee in any BankNet ATM, waived interregional and interbranch fees, and eto, they give free 1 bank certification and 5 bank statements per year. Usually, sa ibang banks, pinapabayad nila to. They also have higher rates in time deposit, lower rates on loans, special rates on forex, and iba pa. Kaya, you really get a lot out of this. If you're new to availing privilege cards, I'd recommend RCBC Hexagon Club because it's a stepping stone for you to avail higher tier cards. That's it for today. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye!